ELIX is basically rethinking drug discovery with their all-in-one platform. Now, I'm not going to say anything else about it. I'm going to give the floor straight to you, Shinya, to let us know much more about ELIX, what you're doing, and why we should be interested in your technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me, and let me share my screen. And I believe you guys can see my screen now. Okay, I will start. And I'm Shinya Yuki, co-founder and CEO of ELIX, and we are working on AI drug discovery. So let me start with problems of drug discovery and AI drug discovery itself. And as you guys already know, the biggest problem of drug discovery is its time and cost. And to solve this problem, many people are interested in AI drug discovery because it's one of the most promising ways. Yeah, but usually pharmaceutical companies don't have enough AI-related experience and resources because AI is kind of something new. So their typical strategy is to collaborate with AI startups. But here is another problem. Typical AI startups are secretive, so they usually only send a list of compounds without disclosing their methods. So you can't accumulate know-how, unfortunately, even though you paid a lot. So here's our solution, the all-in-one AI drug discovery platform called ELIX Discovery. First, we have a complete integrated AI platform. And small and medium-sized pharmaceutical companies usually don't have any AI systems. And large pharmaceutical companies have them, but existing AI systems are usually kind of fragmented. And we believe true differentiation comes from integrating all the essential technologies seamlessly. Second, we share know-how openly. One of the reasons why some pharmaceutical companies are reluctant to collaborate with AI startups is that they can't accumulate the know-how internally. But we openly share, unlike others, and open culture is one of the best part of the computer science community, and we bring that best part to this field of drug discovery. Third, cooperation of chemists and AI. And AI is great, and that is why we are doing AI startup, but just having AI isn't enough because drug discovery is very complicated, challenging. So just having AI isn't enough. AI is just a tool. And chemist knowledge, experience, intuition, and contribution are critically important. And chemists and AI have complementary skills, advantages. So we believe the best results come from the combination of chemist and AI. That is our philosophy. And now I'm going to talk about what we can do with ELIX Discovery. First, predictive models. The input of a predictive model is chemical structure, and the output is predicted properties like activity, physical-chemical properties, and atomic talks. Second, generative models. And in this scheme, and at first, you have desired properties of molecules to optimize for, and the generative models generate promising chemical structures. And this is great, and this is a game changer, and this is one of the reasons why people are so excited about AI. Third, active running. In this active running scheme, you start with small amount of data and find promising molecules while minimizing the number of synthesized compounds and experiments. This is good because in reality, when you work on the new drug discovery project, you almost always don't have enough data. Lastly, I'd like to quickly introduce our case study, and here is the problem setting. We rediscovered the donepezil existing medicine to show the capability of generating promising molecules. And I will directly go to the result. And we successfully rediscovered the donepezil scaffold and compound 14 from the original paper. And hopefully, this is helpful enough to understand our capability, and that brings me to the end of my presentation. So thank you so much for listening, and thank you all, and I'm happy to answer your questions.
Brilliant. Wow, Shinya. Perfect timing, 4 minutes exactly. I know there are questions already. Let me see where they are. Also, you can use the hand up function if you'd like a question. So I'm going to find the first question in the chat. How is or what is your business model when you work or partner with other drug discovery companies?
Okay, so we mainly have two business models. One is licensing our platform, and today I didn't have enough time to introduce our platform's interface, but it has a very nice GUI. So yeah, you can just install your software on your server. Like we provide on-premise, or if you prefer cloud, yeah, you can use it through cloud. And yeah, even if you're a chemist, like you can just intuitively use our platform because it has very nice GUI. And if you're an informatician, you can still change a detailed setting. And our second business model is collaborative research. So in this case, our researchers and engineers more actively join your drug discovery research using our technology stack.
Thank you. And how about your overseas expansion plan? Are you mainly focused on Japanese business today, or are you scaling up outside of Japan?
Okay, yeah, that's a good question. And yeah, we are thinking about a global market. Like so far, almost all our clients are Japanese clients, but now is the right time. We think now is the right time to expand our business to overseas because we have great product and we have a great team. And today I didn't have time to introduce, but actually we have very international team. Like our members come from more than 10 different countries. So yeah. We are very much interested in global market.
And in terms of data, what is the minimum amount of data that you think you need to set up the model?
Okay, yeah, it's very difficult to say because it really depends on the case. Yeah, but yeah, the amount of data is almost always the issue, and especially for activity data, like when you work on a new target, you don't have enough data. So yeah, that is why we are focusing on active learning. Like if you use active learning, even if you don't have enough data set, you can start using AI. So yeah, and if you have any specific question, you can reach out to me and we can discuss more.
Thank you. And then to wrap up, there's a couple more questions here. And the first one is the shorter one is, have you got any experience with agrochemistry discovery?
Agrochemistry discovery, not yet, but we are interested in that, and we believe we can use very similar technology for agrochemistry. So yeah, we are sure about that. As long as you have data, like you can benefit from our algorithm. So yeah, we can discuss more.
Excellent, thank you. And then the final question from the Q&A that I can see here. What is the main challenge today of AI in drug discovery, and where do you think the industry is heading?
Okay, I think the main challenge of AI drug discovery is data, because AI is data-driven approach. So you need data, but when you work on the new drug discovery project, a new target, you almost always don't have data, especially activity data. And that is why we are using active learning. And simulation and AI machine learning has complementary advantages. So maybe you can use simulation. That is another way. And usually AI is a ligand-based approach, but now people are more excited. People are also excited about the structure-based approach because of AlphaFold, like you have more structured data, and because of cryo-EM or something, you have more structured data. So yeah, structure-based approach is another way to pursue.
Thank you so much, Shinya, for your presentation. An excellent summary, straight to the point. And thank you also for answering the various questions that came in. It's been a pleasure listening to you.